किसी भी एग्जाम की तैयारी बिना प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर्स की अधूरी है, क्योंकि यहाँ से आते हैं एज इट इज क्वेश्चंस या फिर उन सिमिलर टॉपिक से क्वेश्चंस जो कि इन पेपर में ऑलरेडी पूछे जा चुके हैं। तो प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर्स कर आपको आइडिया लगता है कि किस तरीके से आपको आपके एग्जाम की तैयारी करनी है और कौन से टॉपिक्स हैं जिनसे आपको अपनी तैयारी करनी है। हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल तैयारी एग्जाम की। इस चैनल पर हम डिस्कस करते हैं सभी सेमेस्टर्स और सभी स्ट्रीम्स के प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर्स को, जिनको कर आप कर सकते हैं अपनी तैयारी को 100%। तो मेक श्योर कि आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें और इसे अपने सभी दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें ताकि उनकी भी तैयारी हो सके 100%। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। आज हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं BA के थर्ड सेमेस्टर का बॉटनी का पेपर 1, फ्लावरिंग प्लांट्स आइडेंटिफिकेशन एंड एस्थेटिक कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स। ये पेपर हुआ है दिसंबर 2024 में। अगर आपके लिए वीडियो हेल्पफुल होती है तो इसे लाइक करना ना भूलें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और अपने सभी दोस्तों के साथ इसे शेयर जरूर करें। शुरू करते हैं। पहला क्वेश्चन है, एंगलर एंड प्लांट्स क्लासिफिकेशन सिस्टम प्लेस्ड विच ग्रुप ऑफ प्लांट्स एट द बिगिनिंग? आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर डी, एल्गे। Question number 2. The APG4 classification system is primarily based on. Answer is option number A, molecular data. Question number 3. In angular and plant system, plants are arranged according to their. Answer is option number A, complexity in floral structure. Question number 4. Cytology contributes to taxonomy by examining. Answer is option number C, chromosome structure and number. Question number 5. Palynology provides taxonomic evidence through the study of. Answer is option number C, pollen grains. Question number 6. Which type of molecular data is primarily used to infer evolutionary relationships? Answer is option number A, nucleic acid sequences. Question number 7. Which garden style focuses on natural landscapes, informal paintings and curved lines? Answer is option number C, English garden. Question number 8. The Brindavan Gardens in Karnataka. Answer is option number B, musical fountains and symmetrical design. Question number 9. The famous garden in Uttarakhand which is known for its collection of flowers. Answer is option number C, Valley of Flowers. Question number 10. Topiary is practice of. Answer is option number B, shaping shrubs and trees into decorative forms. Question number 11. Bonsai refers to. Answer is option number B, the art of growing miniature trees in containers. Question number 12. Greenhouses are mainly used for. Answer is option number A, growing plants in controlled temperature and humidity conditions. Question number 13. What is a common feature of Japanese garden? Answer is option number B, rocks and gravel. Question number 14. The process of arranging organisms into groups based on similarities is called. Answer is option number B, classification. Question number 15. Which of the following is a primary function of herbarium? Answer is option number C, storing preserved plant specimen for reference. Question number 16. Which of the following best defines flora? Answer is option number B, a systematic list of plant species in a specific area. Question number 17. Which of the following is not a component of taxonomy? Answer is option number C, morphogenesis. Question number 18. Botanical garden primarily serve which of the following purposes? Answer is option number C, conservation and research of plant species. Question number 19. Assigning a scientific name to an organism is referred to as. Answer is option number A, nomenclature. Question number 20. What is the main purpose of taxonomic key? Answer is option number B, to help in identification of unknown species. Question number 21. Multi-axis keys are also known as. Answer is option number D, polyclave keys. Question number 22. The rank directly below family in the taxonomic hierarchy is. Answer is option number A, genus. Question number 23. The binomial system of nomenclature consists of. Answer is option number D, genus and species. Question number 24. The author of book Genera Plantarum is. Answer is option number B, Bentham and Hooker. Question number 25. The standard size of herbarium sheet is. Answer is option number B, 11.5 into 17.5 inch. Question number 26. Natural classification systems are primarily based on. Answer is option number B, morphological similarities and differences. Question number 27. Who developed an artificial system of plant classification in the 18th century? Answer is option number C, Carl Linnaeus. Question number 28. Bentham and Hooker's classification system is an example of which type of classification? Answer is option number B, natural. Question number 29. Which classification system considers evolutionary relationships among organisms? Answer is option number D, phylogenetic classification. Question number 30. In Bentham and Hooker's classification, plants are divided into groups called. Answer is option number C, series. Question number 31. Phytochemical evidence in taxonomy involves the study of, answer is option number C, secondary metabolites like alkaloids and flavonoids. Question number 32. Medicine aconite is obtained from, answer is option number C, aconitum. Question number 33. Also known as buttercup family, answer is option number B, Ranunculales. Question number 34. Monadelphous stamen is found in the family, answer is option number A, Malvaceae. Question number 35. A unisexual flower is found in which of the following families? Answer is option number B, Cucurbitaceae. Question number 36. Stamens of family Cucurbitaceae are, answer is option number C, Cynandrous. Question number 37. Hesperodium fruit is found in which family? Answer is option number A, Rutaceae. Question number 38. Cremocarp fruit belongs to the family. Answer is option number A, Apiaceae. Question number 39. Which of the following is known as dogbane family? Answer is option number A, Apocynaceae. Question number 40. Which family is known as coriander family? Answer is option number A, Apiaceae. Question number 41. Citrus is associated with which family? Answer is option number D, Rutaceae. Question number 42. Rauwolfia serpentia belongs to which family? Answer is option number B, Apocynaceae. Question number 43. Withania somnifera belongs to which family? Answer is option number C, Solanaceae. Question number 44. In which of the following families is Verticilliaster inflorescence found? Answer is option number A, Labiata. Question number 45. Which plant is worshipped? Answer is option number D, Osmium sanctum. Question number 46. In which of the following the capitulum inflorescence is found? Answer is option number A, sunflower. Question number 47. Swollen placenta is the characteristic feature of which family? Answer is option number B, Solanaceae. Question number 48. Cypsela fruit is found in which of the following? Families? Answer is option number C, Asteraceae. Question number 49. Coffee is obtained from the plant of which family? Answer is option number B, Rubiaceae. Question number 50. Largest dicot family is? Answer is option number A, Fabaceae. Question number 51. Spiculate inflorescence is found in which family? Answer is option number D, Poaceae. Question number 52. Amrud is related to the family? Answer is option number A, Myrtaceae. Question number 53. Long is obtained from the plant of which family? Answer is option number D, Myrtaceae. Question number 54. Which family has only one genus? Answer is option number A, Nelumbonaceae. Question number 55. Which is the botanical name of Kadamb? Answer is option number A, Anthocephalus indicus. Question number 56. Cythium inflorescence is the characteristic feature of the family. Answer is option number D, Euphorbiaceae. Question number 57. Amla belongs to the family. Answer is option number C, Euphorbiaceae. Question number 58. Gynoecium of Fabaceae is? Answer is option number C, Monocarpillary. Question number 59. Fruit is legume in which family? Answer is option number A, Fabaceae. Question number 60. Colchicine is obtained from which of the following family? Answer is option number D, Liliaceae. Question number 61. Glycyrrhiza glabra belongs to which family? Answer is option number B, Fabaceae. Glycyrrhiza glabra belongs to which family? Fabaceae. Question number 62. In tetradynamous condition, the stamens are? Answer is option number C, 4 long and 2 short. Question number 63. Which of the family possesses numerous ovules in its pistil? Answer is option number C, Solanaceae. Question number 64. Nodulated roots are characteristics of family. Answer is option number A, Fabaceae. Question number 65. To which family is Ledgera related? Answer is option number D, Amaranthaceae. Question number 66. Perianth is found in which family? Answer is option number D, all of the above. Question number 67. Aspergillus belongs to which family? Answer is option number B, Liliaceae. Question number 68. A document containing a comprehensive account of a specific taxonomic group, generally a genus or family, is? Answer is option number B, monograph. Question number 69, which family is known as banana family? Answer is option number C, Musaceae. Question number 70, which one of the following types of inflorescence is found in banana? Answer is option number A, mixed spadix. Question number 71, which family is known as poppy family? Answer is option number D, Papaver. Papaver. Question number 72, phonetic analysis is in taxonomy is also known as, answer is option number B, numerical taxonomy. Question number 73, which of the following tools is commonly used in phonetic studies? Answer is option number A, dendrogram. Question number 74, in biometrics, which of the following data is most commonly analyzed? Answer is option number B, morphological measurements. Question number, morphological measurements. Question number 75, a group of organisms that includes an ancestor and all its descendants is known as a, answer is option number A, monophyletic group. Question number 76, the principle that groups organism based on shared derived characteristic is called, answer is option number C, cladistics. Question number 77, which type of group is considered the most natural in evolutionary terms? Answer is option number C, monophyletic. Question number 78, what term is used for derived trait that is shared among several groups of organisms? Answer is option number A, synapomorphy. Question number 79, plesiomorphic traits are also known as, answer is option number A, primitive traits. Question number 80, which of the following is not a type of secondary storage media? Answer is option number C, RAM. Question number 81, what feature in Excel is used to quickly fill a range of cells with a sequence or a pattern? Answer is option number B, autofill. Question number 82, what is the shortcut key to create a new slide in Microsoft PowerPoint? Answer is option number A, Ctrl+M. Question number 83, in MS Excel, which function is used to find the largest number in the range of cells? Answer is option number C, max. Question number 84, which of the following is a plant identification app? Answer is option number A, PlantNat. Question number 85, what number system is commonly used in digital devices? Answer is option number A, binary. Question number 86, what is the primary unit of storage in a binary system? Answer is option number B, bit. Question number 87, Question number 87, which of the following tools is best for data entry? Answer is option number A, MS Access. Question number 88, what does GPS stand for? Answer is option number B, Global Positioning System. Question number 89, in PowerPoint, which view allows you to see and manage all slides in one place? Answer is option number B, Slide Sorter. Question number 90, which of these is a secondary storage device? Answer is option number A, CD-ROM. Question number 91, which key is used to add a new row in an Excel spreadsheet? Now the thing is कि CTRL plus shift plus enter नहीं होता है यहाँ पर, we have to enter another key. So I don't know what is the correct answer of this question. If you know the answer, please do mention it in comment section. Question number 92, in plant identification, GIS mapping is used to analyze. Answer is option number B, patterns, features and qualities, quantiles of plant species. क्वालिटीज आना चाहिए यहाँ पर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 93, phylogenetic software is primarily used to analyze. Answer is option number A, evolutionary relationships between species. Question number 94, digital taxonomy tools like eFlora are used for. Answer is option number B, online identification and classification of plant species. Question number 95, GIS deals with which kind of data? Answer is option number C, spatial data. Question number 96, the delta system is most commonly used in which area of study? Answer is option number A, botanical nomenclature. Question number 97, quantitative data in GIS mapping for plant studies refers to. Answer is option number B, the number of individuals in a species. Question number 98, in gardening, what is the purpose of edging? Answer is option number D, all of the above. Question number 99, which garden style is characterized by symmetry, geometrical layouts and clipped hedges? Answer is option number B, Italian garden. Question number 100, the use of water features such as fountain and pools is a prominent characteristic of which type of garden? Answer is option number C, Persian garden. तो ये था आपका पेपर ऑफ फ्लावरिंग प्लांट आइडेंटिफिकेशन एंड एस्थेटिक कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स. आई होप ये वीडियो आपकी एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन में आपके लिए काफी हेल्पफुल रहेगी. मेक श्योर टू लाइक दिस वीडियो, कमेंट में बताइए आपको वीडियो कैसी लगी एंड शेयर इट विद ऑल योर फ्रेंड्स. अगर किसी भी क्वेश्चन है, किसी भी ऑप्शन में आपको डाउट है तो उसे आप कमेंट सेक्शन में मेंशन कर सकते हैं एंड जो भी करेक्शंस होंगे उन्हें हम कमेंट सेक्शन में पिन कर देंगे फॉर एवरीवन. Once again, thank you so much for watching the video. Do not forget to subscribe the channel and keep supporting. Thank you everyone.